Hey Tutorbud fam, welcome back to our grammar series. Today we are going to learn the simple past tense. If you are new to our channel, we have covered the present tense in our previous videos. You can find the link in the description. The simple past is a verb tense that is used to talk about actions or events that happened in the past. Let's start with some examples. Yesterday, I walked to the park. I ate a delicious pizza for lunch. We watched a movie last night. Do you see how we are talking about things that happened in the past? Now, let's talk about how to form the simple past tense. For regular verbs, we just add ed to the base form of the verb. For example, walk becomes walked, talk becomes talked, and watch becomes watched. But of course, there are some irregular verbs that don't follow this rule. We have to memorize their past forms. For example, eat becomes ate, swim becomes swam, and go becomes went. Now, let's practice. I'm going to give you some sentences in the present tense, and I want you to change them into the simple past tense. I play soccer every Saturday. What is the past tense of play? Played. So, I played soccer every Saturday. She reads books in her free time. What is the past tense of read? Read. So, she read books in her free time. And finally, they study English at school. What is the past tense of study? Studied. So, they studied English at school. Good job everyone! You are well on your way to mastering the simple past tense. Remember to keep practicing and using it in your everyday conversations. If you found this video helpful and informative, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We'll be discussing the past continuous tense in our next video. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you for watching.